In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Xero Error 429 quickly and safely. If you're seeing a 429 error in Xero, it usually means you've hit a rate limit, either too many actions in a short period of time or too many API calls within a 24-hour window. Don't worry, this is a very common issue, especially if you're using connected apps like Zapier, CRMs, or inventory management tools. I'll walk you through step-by-step how to fix it and prevent it from happening again. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, let's understand what Error 429 actually means. Xero has rate limits in place to protect its servers. There are two main limits, a 1-minute limit and a daily limit. The 1-minute limit allows up to 60 API calls per minute. The daily limit allows up to 5,000 API calls within a 24-hour period. If you exceed either of these, Xero temporarily blocks further requests and shows the 429 error. Step 1 is the simplest fix. Wait it out. If you've triggered the 1-minute rate limit, you just need to stop activity and wait at least 60 seconds. Close any open Xero tabs in your browser. If you're running automation tools like Zapier, Make, or other integrations, pause them immediately. After 60 seconds, refresh Xero and try again. In many cases, this completely resolves the issue. If the error continues, you may have hit the daily limit of 5,000 API calls. In that case, the only solution is to wait until the daily reset, which happens at midnight UTC. Once the reset occurs, your limit refreshes automatically and the error should disappear. Now, if you keep seeing Error 429 frequently, we need to identify what's causing it. Most of the time, the culprit is a connected app running automated background syncs. To check this, log into Xero and click on your organization name in the top menu. From the dropdown, select Settings. Then go to Connected Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all apps connected to your Xero account. Carefully review this list. Look for apps that sync data frequently, for example, CRMs, inventory management systems, e-commerce integrations, or automation platforms. These tools can make dozens or even hundreds of API calls in the background. If you suspect one of these apps is causing the issue, click on it and choose Disconnect. You can always reconnect it later after confirming it's not misconfigured. If you're unsure which one is responsible, temporarily disconnect the most active integration first and monitor whether the error stops. Another common cause of Error 429, especially if it appears only in your browser, is a cache-related loop. Sometimes your browser repeatedly retries a failed request, which triggers the rate limit again and again. To fix this, go to Xero in your browser. Click the lock icon next to the website address in the address bar. Then choose Cookies and Site Data and select Manage On-Device Site Data. Find Xero.com in the list and click the bin or delete icon to clear the stored data. After clearing the cache, fully close your browser and reopen it. Then log back into Xero and test again. You can also test using an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-N. On Mac, press Command-Shift-N. Log into Xero inside that private window. If the error disappears, that confirms it was a browser cache issue. To prevent Error 429 in the future, try to reduce unnecessary integrations, space out bulk actions, and avoid running multiple automations at the same time. If you're using Zapier or similar tools, check that they aren't set to pull too frequently. Adjusting those settings can significantly reduce API usage. So to recap, first, stop all activity and wait 60 seconds for the 1-minute reset. Second, if needed, wait until midnight UTC for the daily reset. Third, check connected apps and disconnect any heavy background syncs. And fourth, clear your browser cache or test in incognito mode. That's it, you now know how to fix Xero Error 429 and prevent it from interrupting your workflow again. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Xero troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.